In the general industrial industry, Kimair's compressed air solutions are widely used in the power supply of various pneumatic equipment and tools. The energy saving of Kimair permanent magnet screw air compressor reaches 30% to 42%. Whether it is the control valves and actuators on the automated production line or the cleaning and maintenance equipment inside the factory, these solutions can provide reliable and efficient power support. Kimair also provides customized compressed air system design and optimization services for the specific needs of different industries, helping customers achieve higher production, efficiency, and lower operating costs.